Hello guys, I'm Rasmus and you're watching Slikhaar TV. I'm here with Mateus today. He has a lot of curls. Should we do something about it?
Yeah, please, because I have a hard time styling it.
Okay, let's find Nicoline. Alright, Nicoline, what do you think we should do with these curls?
I think we should fade the lower part, just not a too short fade, and then we're gonna keep some length on the top. Try to style it a little bit, use some conditioner in it, and to maybe use the pomade to get it to take a little bit of the volume.
Alright,
so,
sounds good.
Yeah.
Let's get to it.
Do you want smooth curls? After applying your daily conditioner, wait a few minutes before rinsing it out. It helps absorb more moisture. Try Vilain Rush Conditioner, which hydrates curls and contains moisturizing blend of avocado oil and menthe oil. Your hair will thank you for it. Rubbing your curls with regular towels can add friction and add frizz to your hairstyle. You can keep your hair smooth by using a soft setting on the blow dryer. Curls are healthier and more manageable when you keep your hair well shaped and trimmed. Go see a stylist or barber who is experienced within curly hairstyles so you get the correct trim at least every 6 or 8 weeks. A diffuser is a blow drying attachment that blow dries your hair from the roots and up and minimize a lot of frizz that comes when the curly hair is naturally dried. If your curly hair is longer, avoid touching it after you've finished your styling routine. Playing around with your hair destroys the shape of the curls, plus your fingers can absorb the natural moisturizing hair oils, or conventionally added more, making your hair looking either greasy or too dry.
Guys, I hope you liked the video. Please let me know in the comment section down below what you think about the hairstyle. Also because you can be a part of the secret giveaway. You just need to like, subscribe and comment and share the video. Then you can win some nice products. So let's see who is the winner from the last episode. Is here. And also another reason to stay here in the channel, write some comments, is because I'll be answering questions the 1 to 2nd hour after the upload. I will be uploading every Friday and Saturday, so remember to subscribe to keep posted. See you guys next time.